Welcome to The Hope, the house of perfect education. We don't just teach, we shape the leaders of tomorrow. Admissions are now open for class 9. Our entrance test covers the core foundations of classes 6 to 8 in mathematics, Urdu, science and English. We believe talent deserves to be rewarded. Secure your future with our exclusive scholarship program. 100% scholarship for the top 3 performers. 50% scholarship for positions 4th through 6th and 25% scholarship for 7th all the way to 16th. This is more than a test. It's your opportunity to join a community of excellence with the support you deserve. Prepare well, perform your best.
Secure your scholarship. Join us for the scholarship test on Sunday, March 29th from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m.
The Hope, the house of perfect education. Contact us now for more information. Phone number 0300-819-4789, 0322-415-7001.
Address 247 Block E1, Johor Town, Lahore.